So I'm focused on my economic situation. I'm like the little kids on TV that dig through the trash. I hustle regardless of the way you talk shit and laugh. A lot of niggas drop science, but they don't know the math, cause they mind is narrower than the righteous path. It's funny how on the block, niggas that kill you for cash, but never raise the gun to cry out freedom at last. The Cold War is over, but the world is still getting...
What's up everybody, it's your boy Los. Today's episode we're going to focus on installing a USB receptacle. Basically the difference between this receptacle and a basic receptacle is that this comes with a USB port in it, so you can charge your phone or anything at all that has a USB port in it. It's pretty much the same. You have your hot and then you have your white wire, okay? So without further ado, we're going to get right into it. What's up everybody? So like I said, I'm going to get right into it and go ahead and just take this old one off and install the new one with the USB port. Let's get into it. As you can see, I'm not using my power tools. Everything manual. There's my white. There's my power. Okay. I dropped the screw. Very bad. Alright, so before I put the wall plate, I'm gonna go ahead and test it out. Let me turn on the breaker. So as you can see, I turn on the breaker, lights on. Let's try it out. Let's try to charge a phone or something. And we're gonna use the regular one, and then we're gonna use there you go. Try the top one. There you go. Now let's try the USB port. Also, let's try the other one. Boom. So we've been successful in installing this USB receptacle. Let me just go ahead and put the wall plate. Oops, my bad. And wrap up this video. Alright guys, so doing a great job. It's installed, and let me just talk about a few things. As far as the benefits of having a USB receptacle, it has overcharge protection. So for example, once your phone, your PS or your Xbox controller is fully charged, it'll automatically stop it. It has a mechanism inside that is a tamper I'm sorry, it's tamper resistant, it's overcharge protection, and has temperature control, and it is also fire resistant. The tamper resistant basically is NEC, is National Electric Code, so it's definitely safety. If, for example, you have kids that come and try to play with it, stick a fork, try to stick a pin or anything, it won't allow anything to go in to either or of the outlets, including the top one. So these kind of receptacles are very good. They're beneficial, energy saving, tamper resistant. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That's how you successfully install. And this is the old receptacle. This is a normal receptacle. So, you know, in case you're home and you can only charge 2 at a time, now you can charge 4 things at a time. You can charge whatever you have that has these, okay, and whatever you have that's USB cord, okay. So that's about it. Let's wrap it up. Like and subscribe to Boy Lois. Again, I'm doing this out of the kindness of my heart. More videos are on the way, and thank you for watching again. Like and subscribe. I keep saying like and subscribe. Stay tuned, and peace out. Thanks.